Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, The King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. They are usually hidden gems. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have an unboxing and first impression, and this is the latest from Sterling Perfumes, Armaf. Sterling Perfume is the owner of Armaf and many other fragrance brands. So Armaf is the most famous of them. So this is Armaf Club de Nuit Intense Man, and this is Elixir. It came out just a couple of months ago, or maybe even less. It wasn't easy to get, but now it's quite widely available. In the UK you can purchase it for under £30 for 105 ml at the Parfum. So this is the box, the typical Club de Nuit Intense Man box, but the only difference here, it says Elixir in red. Okay, so before I go through this unboxing, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, or in any way, shape valuable, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, support me, and this way you encourage me to do videos like this in future. Thank you, and let's go. So sorry about the noise. Okay, so again, typical Armaf Club Intense Man box. The only reason is they got a little bit of texture here, which is like a leopard texture somehow. It's not bad. I don't mind it at all. Attention to detail is always good with Armaf. Simple boxing, but does job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. Okay, let's go. You got one of those things that come with authentication, which I don't care. And then it comes the bottle. The bottle, again, one of those typical Armaf Club de Nuit Intense bottle. The only thing is this is see-through, although it's a dark, but you can see the juice very easily. Okay, so this is how it comes. Again, I like it. I don't mind it. Some people say it's a bit tacky. I think it's nice. I think it's good. I think it's good quality. Very heavy. Here it says Club de Nuit Intense Man embossed in the glass. Very heavy glass, and the cap is very heavy glass too. And then the atomizer is black. And let's go with the sprayer. Very good sprayer. Okay, so far so good. What does it smell like? First impression, this is Club de Nuit Intense Man by Armaf, and this is Elixir. Woo! First thing it hit me is the sweetness. Sweet. Goodness, that is nice. Okay, so sweet, fresh, a little bit of herbal, tiny bit of spicy tinge to it, little bit of effervescent feel to it as well. It's like a sparkly, like a champagne feel to it. But this is nice. I like it. So sweet, little bit of spicy tinge to it right now, and little bit of fruitiness. Yeah, little bit of fruitiness. It's like a combination of few citruses like bergamot, lemon, maybe grapefruit as well. But I like it. The opening is gorgeous. But is it too too much deviation from the original one? Not really, because I still can smell the Club de Nuit Intense Man DNA in here, which is the famous copy of Creed Aventus. Yeah, it is still there, but it's not as big. The only thing is right now it's so sweet, it's just covering everything else. I get a tiny bit of Sauvage feel to it, not the latest one, which is Elixir, because that one is, I smelled it once, but I remember it would be a little bit anise like, or tiny bit of smokiness to it, but this one doesn't have any anise or smokiness right now. Yeah, so it's like an original to me right now. The opening first impression, it's like a combination of Sauvage, the original, plus the DNA of the Club Nuit Intense Man, which is very famous for being copying Creed Aventus. So I would say it's like a mixture of Sauvage and Creed Aventus right now for a first impression, for first sniff. Yeah, it's got a woody backbone, and it's the slightly floral aspect to it as well right now. But first thing it hits you is the sweetness. Second thing is the tiny bit of spiciness. Third thing is the fruitiness, and the fourth thing right now is that woody aspect, which is a little bit on the, it's not a smoky at the moment at all, but it's woody, you know what I mean? But I like it. It smells very nice, very crowd pleasing. Obviously, when you have a combination of two very crowd pleasing fragrances like Dior Sauvage and Creed Aventus, what you expect, you get something that is even more crowd pleasing, and this is it. It's going to be one of those fragrances that's going to be attention seeking. It's going to be people head turning. People ask, wow, what's this? Because it's so pleasing to the nose. Okay, I don't smell any syntheticness right now. It's quite nice. There's no alcohol blast, there's no chemical blast, there's no harshness. Right now it's quite smooth, but I like it very much. Okay, so first impression, first sniff for Armaf Club Nuit Intense Man Elixir is positive. I like it, especially under £30. That is very good. I'll let you know in the next video the performance, the longevity, the changes, if there are any changes, and is it worth it to get it. For first impression, I say yes, but we have to wait to see what's the performance like. If the performance is anything as good as the original Club Nuit Intense Man, which was beast mode, and then yes, you will have a winner on your hand. On the other hand, if the performance is as weak as the latest Club Nuit Intense Man, which maybe 4 or 5 hours it will last you, then that would be a little bit on the disappointing side. So I will let you know in the next video my thoughts for first impression, first sniff. Absolutely loving it. It's smells very nice, smell very crowd pleasing, smell very easygoing, smell quite fresh, quite masculine. Yeah, it's got some masculinity to it, but it's very modern feel to it as well. It's very up to date, it's very trendy feel to it. Okay, all right guys, thank you very much for joining me. As always, support me, hit those buttons, and also if you like to buy one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. The only thing is you have to live in United Kingdom, be able to buy them, and I will see you later. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.